In this video, I will share how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 a day online in the simplest way possible. Step number 1, use an opt-in page as your landing page. I know you hate list building, landing page building, and opt-in page building, but don't worry about it. Get any PDF report from any PLR sites, or simply save a Word document or Google document into PDF and use my application. Link is in the description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. This application turns your PDF report or document into your lead magnet and into your opt-in page. How cool is that? So let me rephrase. You don't need an opt-in page ever again if you use my application, and link is in the description. It turns any PDF document into your lead magnet and into your opt-in page. So you never ever have to use a lead magnet and then opt-in page ever again. Step number 2, use a 30-day email follow-up sequence. Get everything you need for your email campaigns 100% free from the link in the description. These follow-up emails go to your email subscribers every single day automatically and build a bond between you and your subscribers, and the emails do the selling on your behalf. This is the most passive income system on the internet ever. Step number 3, choose a broad problem to solve at the beginning. For example, in my niche, internet marketing, website hosting is a huge problem because server companies charge monthly recurring fees. That's why we built our own hosting server, and we offer to our customers unlimited hosting server for a one-time price. I will also drop a link in the description so you can check it out if you want. It's crazy deal for them, so everyone loves it, and we make $5 from every visitor we send to our offer page. You can make the same amount of money just by becoming an affiliate of this offer. Here is one of my affiliate accounts on Warrior Plus. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, right. So on this account, this is one of my accounts. On this account, we made $597,000 in total, so it's more than $500,000. And another account, we made $428,000, so it's more than $1.1 million from Warrior Plus alone. Now, what do we do to make this money? You can do the exact same thing. So what we do is we do affiliate marketing, and for that we go to Warrior Plus and search for products that solve big problems. So one of the problems is like hosting problem, and for that you need hosting server. Hosting servers are expensive. You need to pay them monthly or annually. So luckily we built a hosting platform. When we launched it on Warrior Plus, it's one of the top performing product, HostZpresso. So go to HostZpresso and click request. All right, and click request. When you click request, you'll find after you getting approval, this is the link. This is the link. Copy this link. This is the only link where we send all our traffic. Now, once we send that traffic on a visitors, 11% conversion means out of 100 people, 11 people purchase. And every click, every visitor we send to that sales page, we make an average of $2.37. So if we send 1,000 people, we make $2,037. Because it solves a huge problem, customers love to buy it, affiliates love to promote it, and everybody gets benefits from the offer. Step number 4, give first. Use free infotainment or edutainment to give value. Your customers come to internet for information and education. You want to give them what they want and turn them into your raving fans. You should present yourself as an open heart, helpful person. If you can do that, then money making is super simple. Just ask them to buy something, they will buy from you and you will make money. If you ask them to buy from your affiliate link, they will buy. If you ask them to follow you on a certain channel, they will follow you. If you ask them to use your application, they will use your application. For this, we use videos on YouTube. YouTube Shorts is the best of the best right now. because Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is promoting every short video and Shorts creators. Look at our videos and channel analytics. We get hundreds of views just by putting 1-minute videos on YouTube. And these videos are bringing us visitors, leads, and sales. To be more precise, we make $5 from every view we get from YouTube. And 1,000 views make us easy $5,000 from our video. For our videos, we use our own software, Epic. Epic is free for our YouTube viewers just like you. Link is in the description, go grab it. Epic makes videos without using camera, without script, without giving voiceover. Epic makes videos out of free public links. Epic turns texts into natural voiceover, and Epic software writes texts and scripts using built-in artificial intelligence. So grab Epic from the link in the description and start using it. It's free for my YouTube viewers. You know what? At this point, I think we deserve a like on this video. And yes, if you find this video helpful, please share this video with your friends and family. This way you're adding value to other people's lives by sharing good information on how to make money online. And they will become your first followers and maybe your first customers as well. They will send more referrals to you, to your content, to your links, and eventually you will make more and more money. If you are confused about what you should be talking about in your videos, I recommend starting by talking about something that people are looking for right now. This way, your videos will get attention fast. Your videos will be shared fast, liked fast, and you will build subscribers fast. How do you know what people are looking for? It's actually pretty simple. Go to your popular local websites or your newspaper sites and see what they publish. Pick a topic and search on YouTube for what other people are talking about the same topic. Watch at least 2 to 3 or 5 opinion videos, and in no time you will have your own opinion about the topic. Go to your Epic account dashboard, type your opinion in the text to voice section of Epic, and click one button. The software will generate voiceover for you. Add the voiceover in an image and your video is ready. Download the video, publish on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you will get visitors, build followers, and make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. And we are also giving away our applications free. Links are in the description. Grab them and start making money from today. This way you're helping others learn how to make money online, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online 2022 video. And we will see you in the next video.